Philippine eagle, also known as the monkey-eating eagle, is one of the rarest and largest eagles in the world. It can only be found in the Philippines. Kakapo, a flightless parrot that is native to New Zealand. It is critically endangered, with only around 200 individuals left in the wild. Spoon-billed sandpiper, a small shorebird that breeds in northeastern Russia and winters in Southeast Asia. It is critically endangered, with only around 400 individuals left in the wild. Madagascar pochard, a species of diving duck that is only found in Madagascar. Night parrot, a small, ground-dwelling bird that is only found in Australia. It was thought to be extinct for over a century until it was rediscovered in 2013. Cuban Amazon, a species of parrot that is endemic to Cuba. It is critically endangered, with only around 2,500 individuals left in the wild. Himalayan quail, a bird species that was once found in the Himalayan region of India, but has not been seen since the early 20th century. It is considered to be critically endangered, and may already be extinct. These are just a few examples of rare bird species, and there are many more out there that are threatened with extinction.